Hello guys, welcome to my Advantech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to boost your PC performance by turning on high performance mode on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to speed up or boost your PC performance, then I will show you simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to press Windows plus R key. After that, in this you need to type powercfg.cpl. After typing this, just click on OK. After that, in this you can see balanced. If in your case you are seeing high performance or ultra high performance, then you need to select that option. Then your PC performance will be increased. If you are not seeing any high performance or ultra high performance, if you are seeing only balance, like you can see in my PC it's showing only balance, you just need to click on this change plan setting. After that, you can see here change adapter power setting. Click on this, scroll down, you can see here processor power management. Double click and expand. You can see minimum processor state. Double click and expand. It should be 5% on battery and plugged in. Both should be 5%. After that, you can see here maximum processor state. Double click and expand. On battery and plugged in. On battery and plugged in should be 100%. Both should be 100%. After doing this, if it is less, you can change it from here. Just need to select and change it to 100%. Just click on apply, then click OK. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your PC performance will be improved. That's it guys. So in this way you can boost your PC performance. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.